Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 cooking tools you can find on Amazon that are game changers in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these gadgets will elevate your culinary experience. Let's get started. First up, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker. With its 7 functions, it's like having multiple appliances in one. It's perfect for making soups, stews, and even yogurt with minimal effort. Next, we have the Lodge pre-seasoned cast iron skillet. Known for its heat retention and even cooking, it's perfect for everything from frying eggs to baking cornbread. Coming in at number 3 is the Cuisinart 15-piece stainless steel cookware set. This set includes all the essentials and is designed for even heat distribution. Number 4 on our list is the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. It can use wood, charcoal or gas and reaches temperatures of up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit. And last but not least, we have the Breville Barista Express espresso machine. It combines a burr grinder and espresso maker in one, perfect for making everything from a single espresso shot to a creamy latte. So there you have it, our top 5 cooking tools from Amazon. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to get your own cooking stuff. See you next time.